want to make sure he is not telling people that we're going in here.
I think that cop car took off. So.
Not even the police, just like some, some like people that he knows. Show you where we're heading into. I guess I could have put a introduction on here. I'll do that at some point.
Damn, I always smell it when I come in these places. That freaking smell of like a freshly put out fire.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. There was a frost man last night.
I say we just go this way to the staircase. I was gonna say up here.
Okay.
I don't think it was.
Have you been back here yet?
No, I haven't been back there.
Okay.
Do you want to go back there?
It looks like it goes off for a ways.
Okay, we'll go that way.
It looks like it's a big area.
It smells freshly done.
Yeah.
Back here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I smell the smoke. I see it in the air. God, they're telling what they're burning in here. Yeah, I say we see what we want to in this area. We just go back up to the first floor.
Okay. Yeah, this is a lot. This is a good space for this.
Whoa. This is a huge room.
Yeah.
Hey, at least they're being responsible. I see they have not only a trash bin, but a recycling bin too, so they're staying green despite their precarious circumstances.
Sure.
That was on the brightest setting, okay.
They say the gimbal is supposed to help a lot with low light stability, low light vision.
It does. Actually, I'm seeing the way my light looks in this recording. It's actually pretty cool looking. It looks like a spotlight.
Oh, nice.
Like I see the beam of light shooting through the smoke.
Yeah.
It looks like one of those prison watchtower lights.
Yeah.
Alright, so does it smell like something with cooking too? Like it smells like ravioli or something. I hope when we come back out, we don't have to see a cop car out front or something. What the hell? Look at that. Who's Juice the Mac?
What?
Who's Juice the Mac?
Juice the, what does that mean?
There's like a
Oh.
poster here.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Do you know who that is? I don't know who that artist is.
No, I have no idea who that is.
Yeah. Trouble. Alright, so I'm smelling like foul. Waste. Should I?
Oh, smells in there.
Cats. Smells like cats.
There are a few cats here. I remember 3 last time I came.
Yeah.
Okay, I remember.
Oh, that's a waste bucket, bro. That's what I'm smelling.
Oh, gross.
That's a real waste bucket right there.
Okay, yeah, this is cool right here. There's like a spindle or something. It was like it was on the fan of the place.
What do you think?
Isn't that cool?
What do you think that was for?
I think it was for, I want to say a fan. It's hard to say. It's like, see, right here's all the pipes. Huh? What draft?
Draft.
Oh, draft. Oh yeah, I feel it. But there's a hole right there. No, but yeah, right here you can tell this is like a furnace or something. There's like a hatch right here. Yeah, and there's like the what do you call those? Yeah. One of those like a water wheel. There's like one of those in there. It's not a water wheel, but it's like that, just the same kind of shape.
Wanna go down?
Oh, down here?
Yeah.
Sure.
This is concrete. There's a mouse right there.
There's a mouse?
Yeah. All right. I need to take the stairs.
Oh, yep, there's the staircase. Everything's just like so torn up. You can't tell what used to be what.
Yeah. Yeah, like I'm sure this part here, I'm sure it had to be some kind of utility closet, or maybe janitor closet.
Or maybe like a loading bay? I don't know. This ramp like tells me a loading bay,
I
but
know, because that'd be an awkward closet with the floor being stacked in, or office, an awkward office.
yeah,
But where would they, like, really, I guess, maybe they bricked something up?
probably. I don't know. That brick is pretty old, and there's pipes going through it, so yeah. Not hard to tell. I feel like I hear that dog just go like off in the distance.
The dog?
Yeah.
What, like whining?
Yeah.
Oh. Some still water here.
Oh yeah, a lot of these fell down, but I remember these brick walls used to be up in like this weird ass pattern.
I'm sure they probably had some help falling.
Yeah.
Oh, you're right, definitely a furnace, a burner. I think that wheel we saw might have been the thing that kept that, it was like a, kept fire, kept air moving through there to keep the fire stoked.
Man, I don't know how the owner of this building thinks he's gonna fix this place up.
Say again?
I don't know how the owner of this building thinks he's gonna fix this place up.
Yeah.
This place is beyond repair.
So I was watching this, and it is a massive old factory structure. Concrete factory structure. Yeah. Abandoned. And it is like they call it like the homeless central headquarters, basically. Wow.
Dude, check that out. It's ascending.
Somebody did this recently, bro.
Yeah. What in the hell, dude? People have like made this to actual like place of residence.
This is new. What is new?
Yeah.
This can't be more than
Like this is store bought.
this can't be more than this can't be more than like a few years old.
Plus we got one right there too. I don't know, do you want to go out in the yard?
No.
Whew, those were right, son.
My second, what I'm looking out for is just to see if people, if people are coming to. Okay, you're in our territory, you know?
Oh yeah, that's fair.
Especially like if they ascertain we're not official people. All right.
Guess we're going to the first floor now. Well, we know some decent ways out now, so
What is?
we know some good ways out now, so if we need to turn back, we can.
Yeah.
Okay. Watch the floor. I remember there being a few holes.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the obvious one. currently hiding right now. I don't think we're in any danger, but yeah, we'll see here in a second. Just standing behind the doorway. There's a guy like right down the hallway. So I'm hoping we don't have to run off or anything like that, but yeah, I think we'll see. I'm not too worried or nothing, but we'll just have to wait. I don't hear him walking around anymore, so I don't know. I'm gonna turn the camera back around now. Do you want to keep traversing that way? Yeah. Okay. Start walking. See those two dogs sitting over there? It really amazes me how there can be such a nice house across from a place like this. Look at that. Such a nice house. I don't know. It's pretty weird.
Is it like a tiki hut or something?
I don't know. God, I forgot about that creepy ass Mickey Mouse face right there. Do you see it right there? Yeah, look at that thing. That's creepy. What's up?
The mating impulse in human beings. That is even alive. It's even alive in a situation like that, too. I mean, from that condom packaging.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, people are going down. And it's like, where is the place to get it?
Dude, I would be disgusted to even take a shit in here. Look at that. What is that? It's like something was hanging there. Goes to like right there. That's interesting. Look at that. I noticed something was wrapped around the staircases.
Oh, yeah. But it doesn't.
There's what? Somebody brought us. Oh crap, that's pretty big. Okay, this is for sure new. I remember I came here like a few months ago and I was able to just fly the drone through this window. My FPV drone. You notice in the other room, they had a giant window out like that too.
Giant what?
They had a giant window out like that too.
Yeah.
Yes. That's what I mean, man. It's like that at all these schools. There's just giant windows that used to be for letting the sunlight in. They're just gone in open spaces now.
Yeah.
It's ridiculous.
Yeah, we use it for FPV flying. And that's why I settled on the DJI Neo, is because you can do your FPV, you can do your follow, and you know, it's just, there's more things you can do with it as a beginner.
Yes.
And it just doesn't crash so easy. Is that what you experienced when you had yours?
That's what I had with the Neo, yeah. It just didn't have any of those like follow me things and all that. But I would recommend it. Okay, check this out. This is where they kept all the capacitors and stuff.
So again, yeah, that's what records, yeah.
Yeah, no, the capacitors.
Oh.
Like for electrical components, like see.
Oh, like this might have been the electronics class?
Yeah. He's right up to me. Lights.
There's a basement.
Yeah, that's where we were.
It's just the first floor. Huh?
No, that's where we were.
Okay, okay.
God, there's so much fucking debris around here. You can't make a step without a mark on it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely not. This would be a nightmare if you were like, if it was like a SWAT team and we were trying to like get in here and raid and like get someone else, it would be a fucking nightmare. Yeah, you only really need to see that power.
That was a good. I had an extra string on top of it. It died, and I took it out and I dropped it. Oh, hey, check this out. There's no book. Devil in the White City. Huh.
Yeah, it is fairly new.
Looks like really new. Looks like
Yeah.
picked up like yesterday. think they would, because they're probably not too expensive to run.
Is that trap NLG key?
I don't know, I can't read that.
I didn't know, I didn't know I heard, footsteps. Or moving upstairs, but I didn't go check it out.
Do you want to, we heard it, you said you heard it right there. Do you want to go to that staircase? Instead?
I don't think it would matter. I don't feel it would matter. I feel like, you know, I moved around or, I don't know. It's just a hallway like this, I'm sure, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
I see what you mean, like not wanting to crest the stairs, right over on top of them, basically.
Yeah.
Sure, we can try that, I imagine it.
Okay. I kind of want to get down my
Okay.
way up the stairs just to be safe. Just a wheel. Whoa, wait. Do you see the boards? They're falling down in this building. Or this part. Look at that. I didn't even notice that.
Yeah.
That's wild.
Wait,
Oh, right, yeah, because we had pretty bad winds like a week ago.
yeah.
That is insane. Alright.
That's probably pretty scary.
I would have gone to the basement.
Somebody was in here.
Is there somebody right there?
take two. Sorry, gimbal's freaking out. Damn, that's interesting. Ooh, check that out. There's a CD right there. Mariah Carey. What else does that say? The President of the United States of America. Tears for Fears, Indigo Girls, Wynton Marshalls, and Mary Chapin Carpenter. I don't really know any of those people except for Mariah Carey. God, look at that floor. Look at all that. Look at all that shit. Yeah, it's like the homeless people. So it's the city. Check that out. I tell you, man, pigeons always come in these places.
Oh yeah.
They're actually a lot smarter than you think. Pigeons. They're like the messenger bird. Oh, that one? Yeah, that was up there. No, it is. I went in there to see if somebody had gone in there and knew it. It's just druggies in there.
Yeah.
This woman came out and she's like, her face was like, like twitching. She's like, oh, I'm serious. It was like, you can tell she was on that.
I know exactly. I've seen that activity. I've seen that behavior.
Yeah, you get it when you're on like amphetamines.
Yeah. She got that shit. Like, basically.
Oh no, it was like she was actively on them. She had to be. There's no way she wasn't.
Well, I guess I'm thinking that the twitch comes from like getting hold of some bad shit. That's a Jimmy John's hat.
You ought to take that and say, look what I found.
No, I'm not touching it. I am gonna focus on it.
No, bring it in. You say, look what I found. I don't want any of you guys hanging out in these abandoned places
Oh,
or
yeah.
handing your gear out to homeless people. It's a bad example.
You should bring it out. Yeah.
Yeah, look at that, more pigeons.
Yeah.
Their eyes glow in the dark like that. They look like, yeah. I'm afraid they're just gonna take a shit in the air. Whenever they're flying away like that.
Of course. There's such a thing as bird. That's what's playing that goes for birds.
there's a hole up there. There's like the attic. Yeah, there's like a hole right there. Oh yeah, like in here. There's one right there too. Must have been a bed. Down there on the floor. Right there. Sorry, my gimbal's a little weird right now. I wonder if it was just smoke that painted this whole place black. Like this. What do you think?
You wonder what?
Oh, so I wonder if it was just smoke that painted this whole place black like this.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. You'll do too. Ooh. She's a cool graffiti. Do I like?
I would recommend trying to get up here
Before it's
before dark.
Okay.
But it's
Yeah, we'll go to it.
you said you went to the what's the other one? That you did the roof of it?
Oh, yeah. I don't think we should go back to this other place. I could be wrong, but I know.
Hey, we got water drops. We got water spots.
Oh,
Be
yeah.
careful walking on those spots.
Yeah, you're right. Check all that out. All that wall art.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Dude, that is insane. Here, I'll turn the lights down if you want me to.
We're getting close.
Oh my god. This is like a place. Let's see. Okay. Well, definitely.
Yes,
actually.
Yes, space.
Yeah, I say we just take her, fill the place, and then we exit out of this.
What's in this next room?
Still, look, this is so cool, dude. Look at all this. Oh my god. Oh, I see a mouse. Which one that one?
Yeah, it's all.
Okay.
There's someone coming from over here.
So. I think that's all of it right there.
Oh, hey, how you doing, man? How you doing? Sorry about that.
Oh, what's up? Oh, fuck. Fucking up.
Hey, peace too.
Is there a guy in there?
Yeah.
Okay. My gimbal's fucking up.
We're out of here, man. We're just checking this explain. Yeah, some nice space here. Take care, man. Take care.